Closing market comments for Tuesday, May the 18th. Well, last week's WASDE report was a big surprise to the market. We did see the markets get pressured. After the WASDE report, we had IHS Informa came out, and they had the corn acres at 96.8 million with a yield of 180 and a carryout projected of over 2 billion bushels. On the soybean side, they had 88.8 million acres, up 1.2 from the USDA, with a yield of 51, slightly higher, and the carryout on the beans only at 67. So a little surprising, they left exports quite a bit higher. And on the wheat side, they did not really make much change there, so pretty much in line with the USDA report. But a lot of people reacting to the IHS Informa numbers, wondering what to expect as the market's going forward. Weekly crop conditions were released yesterday. Corn planting continues to move along at a really good pace. 80% planted nationally. That's up from 67 the previous week, 78% last year, and 68% on the average, so well ahead of normal. Indiana was one of the low states at 62, up 16%. Ohio at 39, up 12%. Illinois at 86, up 12%. Michigan at 70, up 24%. Iowa at 94, up 8. Wisconsin at 78, up 29. Minnesota at 95, up 10. Nebraska at 86, up 15. South Dakota at 86, up 20. And North Dakota at 63, up 27%. So good progress in the planting side on the corn. On the soybean side, soybean progress was good also at 61%. That's up 19% for the week. 51% last year, so we're 10 points ahead of last year, and 37% average, so 24% above average. Indiana was at 50%, up 14. Illinois at 71, up 14. Ohio at 29, up 9. Michigan at 61, up 19. Wisconsin at 63, up 29. Iowa at 83, up 16. Minnesota up 23 at 88. Nebraska up 24 at 71. South Dakota up 34 at 66. And North Dakota up 36 at 53%. So again, very good planting progress on the soybeans. So from there, that looks like a good situation as far as the crop growing and getting going. The last thing, winter wheat conditions. Indiana's wheat conditions were lowered 2% at 71. Ohio down 6% at 73. Illinois up 13% at 83. Michigan down 4 at 67. And Wisconsin down 1 at 87. So winter wheat conditions overall are not near as good in the West. The western states are all running in the 50s. And the eastern states are running in the 70s. So you can see quite a contrast between hard red winter wheat and the soft red winter wheat that we grow. Otherwise, in the markets, China continues to be strong buyers. Altogether, they bought over 326 million bushels of corn for new crops since May the 5th and continue to look for more, the way it sounds. On the soybean side, really no activity on soybean sales, and we saw crush numbers yesterday at 161. A little disappointing. The trade was expecting closer to 169. So are we going to end up increasing the carryout on beans because of the crush? Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.